Hey, what's going on guys? It's Alex here from Simple Mods and welcome back to another video. Super happy to finally have my Project Shady system back up and running in my custom Win D-Frame Mini. So this video will be a combination of a teardown and a rebuild of this system, and if you are interested in how I modified the Win D-Frame Mini and how this system actually came to be, I'll link all of the other videos I've done on this build down in the video description. So those of you who are interested to see more, I've already done quite a bit of content on this system. So it's been pulled apart for a few months now, as I did want to upgrade. However, with the Win D-Frame Mini being a mini ITX chassis that I modified to fit an MATX motherboard, my options for a new high-end MATX motherboard I felt were quite limited. I've been running X99, a 6950X and dual 1080 Ti's for about 2 years in the system and wanted to upgrade to something comparable. In the end, I struggled to find a MATX motherboard I liked that could do everything I needed it to do. Plus, there are no more X-platform MATX motherboards, so I was a bit disappointed to find that out. In the end, I've gone with a GIGABYTE Z390M gaming, a 9900K, a GIGABYTE RTX 2080 Ti gaming OC, with everything being water cooled by EK, being a very similar setup inside the case that I already had. And that brings me to my plans for a new personal system, and I'll be attempting to build a very similar version of my Win D-Frame Mini, however in the very original Win D-Frame. I've had that chassis for quite a while and never actually did anything with it. It's all in pieces now, as it's currently still in the planning stages, figuring out exactly what I want to do to it. However, a great motherboard that I have in store for it is the X299 AORUS Master, which was the motherboard I used in the Intel Scratch build I did earlier in the year. And this motherboard will house the 9980XE processor, dual RTX 2080 Ti, so it should be a pretty new beast system that I can enjoy. But anyways, back to the Win D-Frame Mini for this video. I hope you guys will enjoy this rebuild. So thanks a lot for tuning in. Drop us a like if you do, subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
You gotta wait.